District. Ladies and gentlemen, to introduce to us our guest speaker this morning, please welcome Ms. Rochelle Hulde Pueblos, RMT.
Good morning and happy Fiesta Cantilan! Today, as we open our festivities, we will be honoring another Cantilangnon, a man who deserves to be congratulated wholeheartedly. This Cantilangnon brought into life the words perseverance and hard work. Now, he is reaping all his hard work since his elementary days. Fellow Cantilangnons, it is my privilege today to introduce this man who have earned several accolades on his shoulders. Just to give you a trivia, do you know that our guest speaker today that I am introducing had one thing in common with General Dodo Iriberri and Jail Chief Superintendent Alan Iral? Well, puro sila nagsigir ng pandesal during their childhood days. So look at where and what they are now. So daon gusto na himuon sila ng inspirasyon, di pa kon huli ang tanan. Dili nato isnabon ng magsigiray. Our guest speaker today was Papa Landos, very loyal na magsigiray ng pandesal. Kay bisan o balhin na si Papa ng bakery, jadto gihapon siya. So laong siya kaina na tiya daw paghabaan ni mo introduction. Pero tag-edit ko na ini, weng, tag-edit ko ni. Anyway, as to his academic achievements, our guest speaker is from batch 1979 of Cantilan East Central Elementary School. He spent his high school in CANSAT, or Cantilan National School of Arts and Trades, now Surigao del Sur State University, where we became classmates and belonged to batch 1983. Then, in 1987, he completed his Bachelor of Arts in Economics at St. Michael's College. Wanting to serve the people, he took up and finished his Bachelor of Science in Public Safety at the Philippine National Police Academy. He also took his Bachelor of Laws in University of Iloilo and Bachelor of Science in Criminology in Isabela. Aside from his current rank and position, this man has several eligibilities. He passed the Professional Board of Examination for Teachers and Career Service Examination Professional, as well as the Napolcom Police Officer 1, Police Inspector, and Police Superintendent examinations. His several educational attainment in service and international trainings and seminars catapulted him to several positions in the Bureau of Fire Protection hierarchy. After graduating from the PNPA, he was appointed as Chief Operation and Concurrent Chief of Administration Officer of BFP Regional Office 6. Then he rose from the ranks and became the City Fire Marshal of Iloilo City and Capiz Fire Station 6. After 8 years, he was promoted and became the Provincial Fire Marshal of Capiz. From 2008 to 2015, he was promoted and moved to Manila and became the City Fire Marshal of Caloocan and Antipolo. In 2015, he was back to the BFP headquarters as Director for Fire Safety and Prevention. After a year, he was reappointed as Chief Directorial Staff of the BFP. Just last year, he became the NCR Regional Director of the BFP, his present position. April of this year, he was awarded as one-star general as FAR Chief Superintendent, equivalent to Brigadier General in the military. As I mentioned earlier, this man is really an epitome of perseverance and hard work. A man so determined to succeed. I'm so excited to introduce this very humble guest speaker because he's not just a classmate and a fellow member of CANSAT Batch 83. He is also a Mason brother of my younger brother Ronel, who was also a part of the DILG. So ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming a rare breed Cantilanon, our guest speaker, Fire Chief Superintendent Ruel Jeremy Ewing Diaz.
Salamat, Chief. Please take your seats. Para sa mahibayo kamutanan, ang nag-introduce sa ako si John valedictorian namo ng high school. Og sa duha ka rason ang uno na magkalipay kaduguman na adlaw. Ikaduha, first time ko after 26 years after I left Cantilan that I witnessed the opening salvo or opening parade of our town, Ista. And so, salamat gazod karazaw, Chi, sa imo kind introduction. Honorable Bons Pichay, our first district congressman of Surigao del Sur, Governor Baby Boy Pimentel Jr., Governor of Surigao del Sur, Honorable Mayor Philip Pichay, Honorable Vice Mayor Ginito Guardo, Board Member Enrich Pimentel, members of the Sangguniang Bayan of Cantilan, Dr. Juan Chuentano, the Campus Director of Surigao del Sur State University, my underclass, Police Senior Inspector Mark Navalis, and at the same time, the temporary AD camp for this day only. Members of the Bureau of Fire Protection and Jail and Penology, national and local government employees, barangay officials, teachers, parents, classmates, students, friends, ladies and gentlemen. I am deeply honored for this invitation to speak in front of you today. I am so glad to be home for this occasion and join you in our annual Fiesta celebration. I know many of you here do not see me often, but whenever I have the opportunity to come home, I find time na mauli gajud sa kapistahan ng ato lungsod kay Mabigo. Basta Cantilanon, bisanhain pakitay padpad ng ato kapalaran, ganahan tagajud mauli panahon ng kapistahan. I hope everyone will agree with me when I say, there is no place like home, and home to us is our beloved Cantilan. 26 years ago, I left this beloved hometown to join the cadetship program at the Philippine National Police Academy at Camp Vicente Lim, Canlopang, Laguna. 2 years thereafter, I left the portals of the Academy as a fully grown man, filled with enthusiasm, apprehensions, excitement, and determination. Today, I am now standing in front of you, my fellow Cantilanons, with a heads up and proud to say that I am able to bring home the bacon, having been appointed by the President to a star rank and the 6th Cantilanon General in the uniform branch of service. Kaya lamang damha ang kaniyag to magsigiray ng pandesal, puto, ice candy, ahinti ng lakos, mga husay sa piner, janitor, messenger, waiter, and houseboy. Tungod sa pagpaningkamot, ang giyan ng ginikanan, naging malampuson ako. Amoy niyan batasan sa nagkinaisan ng Cantilanon. Ang mga Cantilanon knows how to look back and never deny diin kita gikan. We are known for our strong family ties, pagkamaabi-abihon, our resiliency, our work ethics being known as hard workers, and our perseverance. Ang pagkamatinabangon way makalupos, our willingness to serve and help others before ourselves sets us apart and make us unique. Aside from today's significant event, I am reminded also with one of my most memorable moments in my life as I stood in this stage. Because from this exact platform, I took my very first oath of office as a government employee when I was appointed as municipal councilor representing the youth sector during the time when the Freedom Constitution was in effect and the then President Aquino appointed officer in charge of the different local government units throughout the Philippines. Also, this is the place where we used to play before and had our most innocent yet joyful younger years as kids. As we celebrate our town fiesta, let us all look back from the grassroots of celebrating this festivity and the significance of this annual event in our lives. Annually, we are celebrating the fiesta highlighted by the Sirong Festival to depict the colorful cultural tradition that unites us. The Cantilanons and the entire municipality, it is our way of commemorating the colorful history of Cantilan, which has been passed from one generation to the next. Accordingly, it is believed that Sirong Festival is about the honoring of that portion of Cantilan's history where early Christians had to defend themselves against the raids perpetrated by Islamized natives or Muslims, then called by the Spaniards as Moors or Moros. The festivity is worthy of celebration because from this yearly custom, we are proudly showing to our nearby towns and even to the whole world the richness of the culture that we have, the symbol of Cantilanon's resiliency, unity, strong faith to the Almighty, and having a positive character of being simple yet blissful people. As what I have told you, my story of success is a journey. What I have attained is primarily the fruits of perseverance and lessons from the hardships of life, which I live with and use as my inspiration in order to reach my goal. Thus, I always take pride with this hometown where I was raised, molded and honed me for what I am now. The journey was indeed not easy, but I took the challenge and work hard for my dreams. For the younger generation, may you have always the same spirit that we built and fostered through the years. The values that we want to share and serve as legacy to you, such as taking pride with our hometown, preserving our origin, our culture, and our best traits as Cantilanos. May you continue working hard for your dreams. Do not be discouraged with the difficulties in life, and instead, be strong in dealing with all the hardships. Have faith towards the desire of your heart until you achieve all those dreams. However, do not forget to look back from your fruit, for it is only the best way where you could be able to appreciate and realize the worth of your journey. Sa mga ginikanan, dapat dili gadot kita muundan sa pagpaningkamot na mahimo pagmalakpuso na natong mga bata. Giyahan nato sila sa marazaw na dayan para makabuot nila ang ila damgo. To the youth, hinaot unta na sa pagkakuman nakita niyo that I am proud wearing this uniform. This will give an inspiration to you na maningkamot isab parehas ng ako tagagihan ma-inspire kamo para dublihon pa gadod nizo ang izo mga paningkamot para makabot isab anizo mga ambisyon. Sa ato mahal na Mayor Philip Pichay, salamat gadod sa pag-imbita sa ako dinhi kuman na panahon, and this will last until the end of my life. Salamat, marazal na pista sa ato na tanan.
Thank you, sir. Let's give another round of applause to the Fire Chief Superintendent, Ruel Jeremy G. Diaz of the Bureau of Fire Protection. Republic of the Philippines, Province of Surigao del Sur, Municipality of Cantilan. Plaque of appreciation is hereby presented to Fire Chief Superintendent Ruel Jeremy G. Diaz in grateful recognition and deep appreciation for sharing his precious time and novel ideas as the guest speaker during the opening program of the 2018 Cantilan Town Fiesta celebration. Given this 13th day of August 2018 at Cantilan, Surigao del Sur. Signed, Honorable Philip A. Pichay, Municipal Mayor.